Want to share the benefits of Crypto.com with friends while earning exciting rewards? In this video, I'll show you exactly where to find and how to use Crypto.com's referral program to grow your crypto community and boost your earnings. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Crypto.com's referral program is a fantastic way to earn rewards while helping friends discover the world of cryptocurrency. Let me guide you through finding and maximizing this rewarding feature. First, open your Crypto.com app and navigate to the Accounts or Profile section. Look for the Refer a Friend or Invite Friends option, which is typically prominently displayed to encourage user participation. Access your unique referral code, which will be automatically generated. You can share this code directly or use the built-in sharing options to send invitations through messaging apps, email, or social media platforms. Check the current promotion details as Crypto.com frequently updates their referral rewards. These can include cash bonuses, cryptocurrency rewards, or special perks like reduced trading fees for both you and your referred friends. Track your referral progress in the dedicated referral section, where you can see how many friends have joined, their verification status, and what rewards you've earned or have pending. A crucial pro tip: share your referral code during special promotion periods when Crypto.com offers enhanced referral bonuses. Also, consider creating helpful content explaining how to use the platform. This not only helps your referrals but positions you as a knowledgeable community member. And just like that, you're ready to start building your crypto community while earning fantastic rewards. The referral program benefits everyone involved and helps spread crypto adoption. If this guide helps you unlock valuable referral rewards, please give it a like. What's the best reward you've earned through crypto referral programs? Share your success stories in the comments below. To put your crypto to practical use, subscribe for our next video on how to use Crypto.com Pay for shopping. Thanks for watching.